What is up, RC enthusiasts? Check it out, we have another Hypergo right here. Now this one's not for dirt, but this one is for hard packed dirt like rally style stuff and more on-road stuff, and also for drifting. This thing right here is pretty nice. I do like the other Hypergo I did get. It was a brushed model. This one right here is brushless, and the reason I like this a lot is because it has a gyro and everything, all the electronics are standalone, which makes this easily upgradable and great as like a hobby starter kit for sure. Something you can upgrade and work with. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out this little beauty, this little mini infraction. You have your on-off switch right here. That's also the dual rate, 70% and 100%. So we're just gonna put that all the way to 100. You have your steering trim right here and your light switch right here to go through the light modes. So you can tell right here, you have your cop lights. This looks like there's a cop car, I guess. You have lights up here. You have your headlights, which also acts as like a turning light when you're on another mode. Check it out. On this mode right here, see they also act like turn signals. In the rear, you have a bar, light bar, red light bar, and the rear does the same thing when you turn. Or you can just have all of them flash all the time. Or you can turn them off. I'm not sure if this is included in the box for most of these kits. I haven't found one online that included a 3-cell, but this one comes with a lithium ion that was in the truck, a 2000. So let's go ahead, let's take this guy out for a run. Alright guys, let's check this little mini infraction out. Now there is kind of a little throttle delay. You notice right here? Check it out. Let me stop it real quick. I can press the throttle. And it reacts kind of slow, but it's only in the beginning. It acts all normal afterwards. Oh man, it's quick. It has a gyro, but I turned it down a little bit, so it's not correcting as much. Oh, this thing is nice. It tracks really straight. Oh, except for there. Look at the light, so visible. Now this thing is a deal right here. It actually comes with drift tires and a set of rally tires for the dirts and knobbies. I have the street tires on it right now, but I'm pretty sure we can do some dirt with it. Oh, something's stuck somewhere. I can only turn right. Let me check it out. Oh. Well, I guess be careful with the tiny little rocks. It does come with rally tires, but if it gets jammed up like that on this kind of rock, I don't know what to say. You can tell it jammed up again. Oh, there you go. That's a pretty bad experience on the, you know, some gravel right there. It doesn't like gravel that much. So I say keep it off of that stuff. It is pretty fun and pretty fast. You can almost slide without the drift tires on. props for my one-handed driving, guys. Subscribe if you like that. Oh no, don't go in there. Don't go in there. That's death to you. Drift off of a curb. Oh no, yeah, get out of there, get out of there. It's even easier on this ground to drift. Man, all these cars came out of nowhere. This place was so empty when I first got here. Anyway, let's do 3S with this guy. As you guys can tell, this debris cover right here is really dirty, so I might run that without that on the street. And plus, it didn't really do anything for it on the dirt. It still got jammed up and didn't like that big gravel I was riding on. So 3S, here we go. Woo! This thing is fast. I will post the speeds of this thing once I get my GPS meter on here. Woo-hoo. He's powerful. Ooh, very powerful. Car turns. Yeah, after the full flyby. One more flyby right here before a car comes. 3S speed flyby. Woo, thing scoots. Mini infraction right here. This is my new favorite one. Out of all the little mini infraction copies, you know, or you know, the infraction look-alike. There's no mini infraction for real, but it won't let me do that because of the gyro. I'm trying to spin out, but it won't let me do it. I gotta turn it off completely. I was really hoping it'd like to rally over here, but I guess it's only for drifting and for street. Gets too clogged up too quickly on the rally stuff. Oh! Did we break anything? That's a head-on collision right there. As you can tell, scratched up right here and right here. But everything seems to be good down here. All right, this thing is pretty nice and durable. I like it. And it is fast on 3S. You need that gyro. Well, there you go, guys. You want something fun? Arma infraction styled truck right here in a 14 scale, fully brushless and ready to bash. I could recommend this guy right here. This guy right here internally is metal geared. fully brushless, and my favorite thing about it the most, standalone electronics. The gyro, the receiver, the ESC is all standalone. So if you don't like the transmitter that this thing comes with, you can run your own transmitter on this guy and have a lot more fun with this rig right here. So this thing is pretty cool, guys. I can definitely recommend it. I like it a lot. It's definitely awesome, and it's my new favorite over the, you know, the SG ones, the original Arma Infraction Minis. But here we go, this guy right here with his aluminum chassis and everything, knocks it out of the park. A little bit of delay in the transmitter. I'm hoping that's the transmitter that's doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and put my own receiver in here and see if that goes away, and if it does, then perfect. There's nothing wrong with this right here. And even that little issue is not that bad once it starts going. The lag is not really there, so it's a pretty good truck, and for drifting it might be fun. So my next video I'll probably drift this guy out and let's see what we can do with this. Yeah! Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was awesome. This thing I could recommend for sure. Check out my links. As usual, stay safe out there, have fun, and go run that RC.